Now I show you guys how to walk slowly. Press escape key and go to options. Go to control setup. Select redefine controls. Foot controls. You can able to see walk. It is set to left alt as default. You can change whatever key you want. I'm gonna keep it as default. Hold the alt key, left alt key in the keyboard and press W key to walk slowly. And now I show you guys how to get muscular body. Type BUFFMEUP and buff me up, the cheat code name. And as you can see, you looks muscular. And to look fat, type BTCDBCB and you look fat. To get gun, UZUMYMW, and you can have the good guns in game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.